Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to stop time in Time Doctor. So here I have the application, I have the dashboard on your browser, I even have the extension right here. I'll show you how to do this on all. So right now the time is continuing, the task is email. So you come in the left hand panel, you click on timer, and from here you can choose the task, okay, that is being done. So right now email is being done. And to go ahead and stop the time, you come here, you click on this red button with the pause right there, and the time actually gets stopped. Okay, unless you continue that for this date, it will be stopped. As you can see, it got synced here as well on the browser, and the extension as well will be synced. Okay, so if I play this right there, it'll go to 120. I'm gonna stop it right there, 122, and right here it got synced here as well. So that is how you can stop time in Time Doctor.